In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the adaptive cruise control. So while we're driving, we turn on the cruise control on this button here on the steering wheel. Once it's turned on, all you need to do is press set and it will set at your current speed. At the moment I'm going at 48 miles an hour. As you can see on the digital dashboard in front of me, it's picked up the car in front and now it's applying the brakes to slow down to maintain a constant distance to this van in front. As it speeds up, you can see I'm speeding up as well, and it will continue to speed up right until I go to 48 miles per hour. It will not exceed that. On this button down the bottom left here, you can cycle through different distances you want to maintain between myself and the van in front. So that will increase and decrease the distance that's kept. Plus and minus down here is to adjust the speed, my maximum speed that I want to go. It will go up at 5 miles per hour intervals. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, feel free to hit the thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of any future uploads from us. If there's anything else you want to see, feel free to let us know in the comments down below.